Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot send message. iMessage needs to be enabled to send message on iPhone or iPad. If you're using an iPhone or iPad and you're having this type issue that you're unable to send message due to your Apple iMessage is disabled or iMessage needs to be enabled to send message. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So you just have to go back from here. So you just have to open your settings app, and here just scroll down and you have to look for apps, select that, then look for message app from here, and once you find messages select that, and here you'll get the toggle to enable iMessage. So you just have to tap on it and it will be enabled. Now you have to wait for activation from here, and once your iMessage has been completely activated, you will be able to send or receive messages on your iMessage. So in this way, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.